How hot it is in El Paso, Texas.
That's my purse.
Don't be afraid to shout it. That's my purse! Try it again.
That's my purse! I don't know you!
Oh my goodness, this stuff is busting.
Not believe your eyes. You would not believe your eyes. You would not believe your eyes. You would not believe your eyes. You would. God, it's brutal out here. She's having a really good time. It's beautiful.
Not a lot going on around here lately. Let's just see what's behind this door.
I feel like I should mind my business. I feel like I should mind my business.
How deep is your love? Till at the ocean, hold me closer again. How deep is your love?
Seriously thought the can opener wasn't working.
Oh fuck! It did cut it.
Oh my god.
In the thunder and rain, you stare into my eyes.
I like to party!
The green handle one looked kind of cool, so I figured I'd put that one in today. We'll see how it goes.
How we feeling out there tonight? Yeah, I am not feeling good.
Oh! That ain't too bad. Hey, that ain't bad. I fixed it. Alright.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy dog.
Firm grip design. Place the butter directly onto the center spikes. Then simply go to town buttering your corn on the cob from top to bottom. No matter what your technique is.
$5 piece of furniture from Marketplace, and I'm going to show you what the hell I do to it. So we got like a little kid's room shelf here. It's essentially the Leaning Tower of Pisa right now. It could 100% be taken out by a dad sneeze. I mean, this thing has some serious tilter-skilter. First things first, since I'm not a stupid kid, I already know my ABCs, so I'm going to figure out how to take all the lettering out. I have a feeling this one's going to be annoying to get out. Oh my god, I'm funny. Okay, now I'm going to gently hammer on the letters to try to get them out. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I somewhat fucked it up with that method, but I'm just gonna roll with it, and I'm sure it'll turn out fine in the end. Okay, so step one for making this thing not so limp-dick is I'm gonna take it apart and sand it. Okay, now that I sanded all the snot rockets off, I'm gonna spray paint it whiter than people who think ketchup is spicy. That's gloss. God damn it. Okay, I'm also going to stain these mini Taylor Swifts a nice dark espresso. Don't forget about protection when standing. I'm wearing gloves and 2 condoms right now. Second step so our shelf doesn't have erectile dysfunction is I'm going to use a little bit bigger of a screw when putting it back together. Nice and sturdy. And here's how the final product turned out. Let me know how I did in the comments below. If you guys are doing this for yourself, don't forget to stage your photos. It'll help a lot with selling. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.
Slide your phone under the door and see what your dog does.
You said forever, now I drive alone past your street.
Cause we all just wanna be big rock stars.
Like my new truck?
What a piece of
Look at his hat. It covered your eyes. Bing.
Seeing who can keep a straight face the longest.
I say, hold up, shawty smoking Zaza out the pack, I told her roll up. Niggas smoking stupid, looking crazy like they know us. You ain't got no money, plus you bum me and you toe up. You pretty but be so wet. Me and Boosie in the Maybach, good and full of liquor. Seen a cutie with some booty, trying to juggle with this pilger.
Some of you wanted to see how Hetty gets in the pool, so this is how. Hi. Floater.
Looking like a mango on a fork. If a dog choose shoes, who choose does he choose? Who does he choose? Seashells by the seashore. He threw 3 free throws.
You're a low boy today.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
With the snare and the bass square and
do, son?
Who said she wanna turn to a fucking
I don't understand the attitude.
I'm so afraid of her.
I'm like so afraid of her.
I don't get it. Hey!